the engine and the gearbox out of the car again. This was because of I need to make some lines for the brakes in the front and the rear, and it was really difficult to make this with the engine and the gearbox in the engine bay. Also I needed to take some silicone thing between all the welds so it's not gonna get water and things inside. Could have done this without taking out the engine and gearbox, but since I already had to take out everything, so yeah, at some point I needed to take out everything anyways. You know, this type of project, it's always like you have to take in and out the engine a bunch of times, take the subframe on and off again and again. You know, there's nothing really bolt on, so you kind of have to reinvent the wheel. Kinda. I'm not gonna do anything more in this video. Just gonna talk about plans for next year. So next year my plan is to make more videos about the build and hopefully get some progress on the build. I have not been uploading or have any real progress on the car besides taking out the engine and gearbox. You know, seasonal depression and all that. So next year hopefully gonna make some progress, make the car drivable. Yeah, be able to at least test drive the car, maybe even on a racetrack. And I would also like to make videos about other people's cars, project cars, or just like, and also make more videos about car meets, local car meets, yeah, car meets in general. I want to make a video about Eric's car, the Audi 90 Quattro Turbo Beast car. You should follow him on Instagram. This is his account. If you want to see more, you know, short videos or pictures of this car. You can actually also follow me on Instagram. I have two accounts. One is Gateslicks. I started the Gateslicks account because I wanted one account for pictures I took of cars, other people's cars. And I have Gateslicks Garage account, which is like pictures of this car and, you know, maybe some short videos about this car. If you want to see pictures of this car, you can go to one of these accounts and there will be some pictures of it and some videos. If you want to ask me anything or get in contact, you can go to Instagram and ask me, send me a message, send me a DM on either one of these accounts. It doesn't really matter which one. Hope you had a good Christmas Eve and, you know, Happy New Year if you watch this before New Year's of 2022. Okay, bye.